holidays are right around the corner, and if you're trying to lose weight or even maintain weight loss, it can be tough. So today we have a trio in studio that can help you with all of that. Erica, Maria, and Teresa are here from Medical Weight Loss Clinic. Ladies, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, so Erica, I want to start with you because someone who's on a weight loss journey, this is something that doesn't happen overnight. And at Medical Weight Loss Clinic, this is more than a weight loss plan.
Yes.
Yeah, so what makes you so unique?
What makes Medical Weight Loss Clinic unique is the one-on-one personal supervision and nutritional guidance from the staff. I think it's the support, the accountability, the motivation that the staff provides, the diet changes along the way to make sure that they're gonna achieve that weight loss goal that they're wanting. And we develop programs based on individuals' lifestyles and needs to make sure that they can be successful.
Yeah, and that's so important, is having a team around you every step of the way. Maria, there are so many solutions that you offer to patients. Can you talk a little bit about those?
Yeah, so we actually have two phases to our program. We start with our weight loss phase, and then the second part of our program is actually our maintenance phase. So to help you maintain your goal weight, we are going to start increasing calories, which is going to help us increase your metabolism to help your body stay at the weight that you want to maintain, whichever your goal weight might be. So like Erica was saying, with the one-on-one visits, we continue that, any supervision or guidance you need through the maintenance program. And we want to help you keep your weight off just as bad as you do, so we're going to continue with that all the way through your maintenance as well.
Yeah, on the screen right here, Erica, we're seeing some before and afters. That's gonna make you feel great.
It really does. The achievements, the accomplishments, we see them from the beginning to the end. We help them through it.
Yeah, this is for men and women, and I think during the holidays, we're always like, okay, this is going to be my New Year's resolution. I'm not gonna start this right now. Now is a good time to start. Teresa, okay, I know you have some holiday tips as to why now is a good time to start instead of waiting for the new year.
Exactly. Well, at Medical Weight Loss Clinic, we do understand that patients may struggle through the holiday, so we do offer tips. Like if you're going to attend a party, go there knowing what you're going to eat. Have a plan. Don't just go and sit there and not eat and not have fun with your friends. You'll want to make sure that you absolutely get everything in. You'll want to rate your foods between 1 and 10 and eat only your top 3 or 4. Do not feel deprived during the holiday season. You want to make sure that you have nothing that's fried. Avoid all foods that are served in sauces and gravies, and you'll also want to make sure you eat nothing with your fingers.
Interesting. These are great tips going into the holiday because we always have people coming into our home. We go out to all of those parties and we think, can I eat this? Can I not eat that? These are some really great tips.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Motivation is a huge key in making sure that you're on track with your weight loss journey. I know that you've seen so many patients. What has been the motivation for your patients that has really kept them motivated?
There are so many things that motivates our patients, from clothes to fitting better to increasing energy. Each pound of weight is 4 times the amount of pressure on your joints. So a lot of patients just simply want to lose the weight to be able to get around better, to walk better.
I want you to say that again. 4 pounds.
So for each pound, it's roughly 4 times the amount of pressure on your joints. So whether it's knees, ankles.
That's incredible.
Yeah, but I mean, there's several other things, you know, riding roller coasters, being able to sit comfortably in an airline seat.
Yeah,
just enjoying life.
I know this job is rewarding for all 3 of you, and so Maria, you have a story that I kind of want you to tell our viewers about that was so meaningful and impactful to you.
It really was. So I have a patient, signed up a little while ago and started out a little over 400 pounds, I think it was, and actually a type 2 diabetic. So sometimes people are worried about different conditions that might make it harder for them to lose weight, but he's actually a few months into his program. He still has quite a ways to go before he gets to his final goal, but of course we help them set little goals along the way. And the other day, he reached one of his little goals, and he actually had thanked me for saving his life.
Wow. That's incredible. Congratulations.
It's incredibly rewarding.
Incredible.
Yeah.
So, Erica, you have something called MIC lipo injection. Can you explain what that is?
Yeah, so we have a MIC lipo booster. It's an injection composed of minerals, amino acids, B vitamins, but it helps in a lot of different areas. So from skin elasticity to helping smooth and fade wrinkles, cellulite, energy. It's a mood booster, so hormonal balance. immunity, cardiovascular. It's just a great injection, and if you're an active patient of ours, it's something you can partake in.
Yeah, so if someone's out there and they're thinking, okay, the holidays are right around the corner, I want to look my best, and it's not just about the looks, and that's so important. It's about how you feel.
Yes.
It is about how you feel, because if you feel good, you're going to look good.
Yes.
How would someone get started?
Very simply, all you have to do is visit our website at mwlc.com. You can call 1-800-GET-SLIM. We have over 30 locations you can simply walk into, and any of these you can book a consultation. So website, phone, or walk-in.
You make it easy.
Yes.
Yes, this is the time to feel your best.
It is, and we love to help our patients.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ladies.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for having
Great
us.
information. Yeah.
Yes.
All right, and don't go away. We've got more EightWest after this short break.